Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to do a nail video. I haven't done a nail video in a very long time. It doesn't mean that I haven't been doing my glue-on nails, because I have, but I have taken a break here and there. But I'm excited to put on this set. And if you've watched any of my prior nail videos over the years, I do love a pink and white French manicure, and I found these at CVS just the other day, so I know they're available. These are from Kiss, and they are Core French Classic and Timeless, and they are the short, but they are pink. I absolutely love pink and white French tips. So we're gonna get these on. I am going to just give my nails a little bit of a file because I do have some old glue on there. So to prep my nails, that's all I'm going to do. I am gonna use my super glue. So we're gonna put these on. I also was shopping for nails the other day, and I shopped at Walmart, and I found these really cute ones from Impress. Maybe you can find them in your Walmart. They are a little black, and then they have a cheetah accent nail, but they are really pretty for the fall. So if you can get out to check out some of the glue-on nails out there at the store, you are going to find some really cool ones. So anyway, guys, let's get this on. We will have a little bit of a chat. I will catch up with you. I haven't actually been doing my normal videos every week. I have been creating some shorts out of some older videos. I don't know if you've seen those, but yeah, the summer's just been really busy. So it's been busy with my regular 9-to-5 job. I did have a vacation, which you probably have seen that vlog video, and that was fun. But my regular 9-to-5 is just out of control right now. I am super busy at work, so I really haven't had time to do videos. But that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna get started on doing them again, especially when the fall hits. But for now, let's just catch up. Let's do these nails and yeah, have a little chat. So I'm bringing the camera a little further away so you can kind of see what I'm doing. If you wanna see nail videos up close, I will definitely link my nail video playlist, because I have a ton of nail videos that you could watch to really get a tutorial on your nails. But they just come in the different sizes, and I just dump them out and find the sizes that fit my nails. And they really have a good assortment to fit really almost any nail size, nail bed. So anyway, let's do this where I'm just going to start trying them on as we chat and get caught up. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have been having a nice summer yourselves. It's the last week of July, and I have some things that are coming up. Going to a writer's workshop this weekend, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, which I'm very excited about. It's called the Cape Cod Writers Group, and they put on a conference every year. Published writers come in, teach classes, agents come in, literary agents come in, and you can get your work reviewed by them with some critiques, which I am having done. I think most of my subscribers do know that I am a writer. I write a blog, and I also write novels. I'm self-published, never broken into the literary world yet, but I'm not giving up. I'm still trying, but I'm working on a new book right now that I'm excited about. So yeah, I mean, it's great to do your passions. You know, I have a full-time job, I do YouTube, but my real passion is writing And so, yeah, this is right up my alley this weekend, and I'm very excited about it. So yeah, I want a new set of nails. So I really, really love these glue-on nails, and the super glue works really good to keep them on for at least a week. So that is my goal, to keep them on for a week. So yeah, speaking of my blog, I am working with a really great team to create a new website. They're called Mayflower Web Design. A couple of great guys. I'm really enjoying the journey with them. I'll link their Instagram so that if you want to go check them out, or if you're in the market for a new website, or you would love to have a website, they are amazing. So go over and check them out on Instagram. All right, so I have all of the nails picked out, and I'm just going to glue them on right now. Let's get these nails glued on and let's see how they come out. All right, guys, they are done, and they are just the right size for me. They're not too long. I have to type on my computer, so I can't have very, very long nails, but I love how they came out. They just look so nice, feminine. There's not a lot of color here going on, although I do love color and I love designs on my nails, but for right now, I'm very happy with how these came out. They're very, very pretty, easy, quick. I put too much glue on this fifth nail. And so when I was holding it on, I got a little glue on my thumb and got it on the top of this nail. So I did try to file the glue off right away, just gently. I didn't want to file the finish off the nail. So, there's a couple of imperfections here or there, but nothing that is going to ruin what the look is that I'm going for. It's a clean, manicured look with a little bit of a French tip and a pink and white. So I'm thrilled with them. I hope that you get some inspiration to go and try your own at-home manicure. You can see that I have plenty left. I can do another set, or if I lose a couple, I will be able to replace them. And one thing to remember when you're doing your own glue-on nails, and like I said, I love this, the glue that comes with it, I've never had success with. But the super glue doesn't damage your nails any more than any other kind of glue that you are using to put on these nails is going to do. So, I don't find that it damages my nails at all. If I give them a little bit of a file to take off the old glue, leave them alone for a few days, they're fine. They grow out, they're perfectly fine. I have been doing glue on nails for 5 years at least, and no lasting problems, nothing that I have had any issues with. So anyway, if you're going to do your own, just remember that it takes a little getting used to, just like anything else. You're not going to be used to having that there. You might catch it on something. It might pop the nail up. It's not going to hurt you. You're just going to be like, oh, darn, I popped off my nail. Glue it back on. You are good to go. So anyway, if you have any questions about these kind of nails, definitely leave me a comment. And as I said, I am going to link my playlist of all of the prior nail videos that I've done. You can see how I cut them, trim them down, file them, turn them into amazing manicures for myself without the cost, without the commitment to time, and without the commitment to having to go and have them filled or redone every couple of weeks. So anyway, guys, that is my nail video for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.